Okay, I am back once again, and I have dared myself this challenge. It is the ice bath challenge, but not with an ice bath, ice wheelbarrow. So I'm going to fill this up with water, really freezing cold water, and I have tons of these little ice cubes and ice packs and stuff in here. So this is going to be interesting. Let's do this. Okay. Wait, is the recording on this? Let me make sure. Okay. Can you guys see this? Okay, good. You guys can see this. I'm going to duck just in case you can't see my face. Okay. Whew. Let's do this. Cold! I'm already regretting this. If this wheelbarrow falls over, which cold. Actually, let me fill it up with some more water. It's not really full up. Now, I have no idea why I wanted to do this. I thought it would be a cool idea. Now I'm regretting doing this because this is cold. I didn't have much ice, so I had to use a ton of ice packs and ice cubes and ice trays to fill this up. Whew. Okay. Now, before I start and get in this thing, remember, you guys can suggest to me any challenge, almost any challenge, and I'll do it. Because I do almost any challenge. Avery's watching me through the window right there. Hi, Avery. Okay, I'm going to go turn the water off, and I'm going to start this, because, holy crap, this water is freezing cold. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a little bit of water, constantly, and I'm going to get in. Holy crap, this is cold. Holy, oh no, oh, why, oh, no, okay, okay, just jump right in, why, oh no. Okay. Oh. Got this. I have a hose right. Oh. Ah! Why did I choose to do this? Help me. Well, you're inside a camera. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna take this. There. Woo! Hi, Avery. This is cold. Okay, now we gotta burp the ABCs. I hate this so much. Okay, it's slowly not becoming cold soap. Turn the water back on. Cold water coming. Oh, cold. I don't know why the water in the hose is so cold, but it is. Okay, just get it. Oh, my legs weren't under the water, so they're not used. I'm numb. I am numb. I couldn't do it in the bath because, well, I would have gotten in trouble. So, woohoo! Help me! Help me with this! I'm frozen! And I'm numb right now. I can't feel anything! pinch myself. Like, I can't feel anything right now. I can't feel anything. It's so cold. I'm gonna get some on my face. I'm gonna get some on my face. That actually feels kind of nice. Oh, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Oh, by the way, if you haven't noticed, I got a haircut. You probably didn't notice. Probably really didn't notice. I got a haircut. Oh! 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 Oh, cold! Why? This is so cold. But at least I'm out here in the sun, so it feels good. Ah! Okay. My face. Avery's still watching me. Hi. Hi. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm really tempted to sing the song Let It Go. But I'm probably going to forget to say it in the script. So cold! This is so cold! La 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 la. Why do I do this? And by the way, Connor has swimmer's ear, so he can't do this. In the future, if you want him to do this, because I want him to do this. It's so cold! Okay, more burping. Help me! I'm just staring into a camera. This is weird. I don't know why I'm doing this. Let it. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay. I really want to sing the song. Okay, the song Let It Go by Disney. I'm going to sing Let It Go by Disney. Okay. Let it go, let it go. This is so freaking cold. Oh, yeah. More burping. I'm gonna try and sing Let It Go while burping by Disney. Let It Go by Disney. Okay, I am officially completely numb. I cannot feel anything in my face. Let it go! Let it go! This is so freaking cold! Oh, let it go! Let it go! Let It Go by Walt Disney. I think that's Walt Disney, isn't it? Isn't that right? This is a watermelon freeze thing. There's just cars passing by. Huh? There's just cars passing by. There's a road up there, and there's cars passing by. They just see me taking a bath in a wheelbarrow. I don't think they see the camera, so. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for Burping in a Wheelbarrow. I can't see!